Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is spontaneous. It is pronounced spon-te-ni-us, and it is spelt S-P-O-N-T-A-N-E-O-U-S. Think spon, then tan, the letter E, and then us. Spontaneous means something performed or occurring as a result of a sudden inner impulse or inclination, and without pre-planning. For example, you could say, he made the spontaneous decision to order pizza for dinner. Spontaneous comes from the Latin word spontaneus, meaning willing or of one's free will. If something is spontaneous, it is done without planning, simply because you decide you want to do it. Therefore, you are using your free will to choose. If you're feeling spontaneous enough, a company called Voucher offer a mystery holiday deal where you book a holiday with no idea of your destination. You could end up in Antigua, Thailand, Dubai, Sicily, Barcelona, Rome, or Berlin, among many other places. I'd imagine it'd be very hard to pack for a holiday like that. Do you think your family is spontaneous enough to try something like this? Spontaneous is an adjective and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, she never plans anything in advance because she is very spontaneous. Spontaneous is defined in the dictionary as happening or done in a natural, often sudden way, without any planning or without being forced. Spontaneous's synonyms include unforced, voluntary, constrained, unprompted, unbidden, unsolicited, unplanned, unpremeditated, unrehearsed, impulsive, impromptu, and spur of the moment. Antonyms include plan, calculate, organize, arrange, work out, think out, design, draft, prepare, schedule, program, formulate, frame, and develop. See if you can be spontaneous today. You could try a new food or try playing with a new friend at school. Either way, make sure to use your new word today. Spontaneous. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.